Remember my last video where my brother had real fun on the huge trampoline? So this week we decided to play more, but with water balloons this time. For this we've got 20 such water balloons kits. It has 37 balloons on each, plus I bought 500 regular balloons, and now we're about to fill it with water. But first we need a small pool, like this. Oh man, it's gonna last forever. Much better now. Haven't used this pump since that time I tried to flip my car with a huge balloon. The video's on the channel. It seems everything is ready, and we can start filling the balloons with water. It was just the easy beginning. With ordinary balloons, it's not that easy. That's why we just fooled around like this. But when we finished, the pool full of cool water balloons was a real reward. At that hot summer day, so we just could not get out of it. But the real fun began later, when the water balloons were on the trampoline with my brother. It was a wonderful day with friends, and it seems like my brother liked to be in the video, and he promised to come again because it's much more fun to jump on a trampoline than going to work, right? Guys, what is your ideas about trampoline fun? With what you want me to feel it next time? And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.